وفي مقابلة سابقة أكد رئيس مجلس إدارة صندوق سايفر كابيتال والرئيس التنفيذي للاستثمار في مجموعة فينيكس المدرجة في أبو ظبي، أكد أن قطاع العملات المشفرة ينتقل إلى مرحلة جديدة من الابتكار بعد تبني المستثمرين المؤسساتيين لعملة البيتكوين، مشيرا أن سعر العملة البيتكوين قد يصل إلى $80,000 بنهاية العام الحالي.
We all know Bitcoin was established back to 2009, and it is the very first global crypto in the very beginning. And we see, Bitcoin is a sort of beta or benchmark of the whole industry. Yeah, and every time, if there's a bull run, definitely Bitcoin should grow first, and then all the other coin will grow after. Yeah, so that is the reasons that why all the people, all the universe, focus on the Bitcoin ETF listing, etc. Yeah, and I think right after the ETF listing, definitely the step 2 for the whole industry would be there will be more innovation, and also there will be more institutional investor adoption to invest in not only Bitcoin but also in auto coin in the future.
I wanted to ask you, Bitcoin ETFs drew $655 million of net inflows on their first trading day. So you just told me your views, but does this pave the path for more crypto ETFs, like Ether, for example?
Yeah, definitely. I think the day before yesterday, Larry Fink was on a interview talking about, they will work on the Ethereum ETF as well. So basically, if we take a look of all the list of the market cap of the coins from, the highest to lowest, Bitcoin is the largest one, and then Ethereum, and then the rest of the token, like, BNB, etc. So definitely, I think, as long as the regulator approve the Bitcoin as a, sort of beta or benchmark of the industry, the rest of the token, especially for the major and established token like Ethereum or maybe Cardano, etc., will provide the ETF in the future as well. So I do strongly believe that will be that will happen sooner or later.
That will be the case. Where do you see Bitcoin levels at the end of 2024?
Well, by 2024, I think definitely it's going to be beyond 80K. Because, the last time all-time high is roughly 65K, and now, we are at the roughly 45K, and, with the bullish, news of the ETF, and also, there will be the halving of Bitcoin, Bitcoin in April. So definitely, I think, there will be 80K by end of this year.
Mm-hmm. Bill, you are based in the UAE. Of course, you're the chairman of Cypher Capital Fund, and you're also the CIO of Phoenix Group, which is listed in Abu Dhabi. First of all, what is your view and prospects of the ecosystem in the region? Where do you see it evolving in the next 5 years, and where are the opportunities?
Yeah, I think now if we list the 5 global crypto hubs, we have, the Silicon Valley, Miami, Singapore, Hong Kong, and definitely, UAE is one of the global crypto innovation center. And regarding the diversification, I think no other place can compete with UAE as compared to, the founders diversification and, the projects diversification, because, a lot of founders, they come from, let's say, Russia, India, China, etc. So it's very diversified. Yeah, and I do believe, there will be a strong inflow of the global talents, not only into the UAE, but also, into the whole MENA region, definitely including, Saudi as well. Yeah, because this region is very friendly to the founders, and not only the environment is friendly, but also there are a lot of capital to invest in this domain. So I think strong inflow of the talents would be the key thesis in the future.